Samsung has yet to announce the Galaxy S24, but practically all of its technical specs and design elements have been leaked. However, there is an issue with the S24 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, the telephoto sensor on the S24 Ultra is having some issues. The software version is nearly complete. The photographs captured at 10x zoom are all loaded with noise. Those who prefer capturing zoomed-in shots should be prepared for this difficulty. Ice Universe also said that although the 5x zoom is adequate, the 10x zoom performance is catastrophic. The fundamental cause of this issue is unknown, since it might be connected to either software or hardware. Given that the S24 Ultra already struggles with 10x zoomed-in shots, questions about performance beyond 10x zoom inevitably emerge. I'm especially concerned about the capabilities of its 100x zoom feature, since if the 10x zoom isn't enough, what can we expect from magnification? Perhaps Samsung will solve this issue with an update in a few weeks' time. In addition, Samsung's choice about the telephoto sensor employed on their device has changed. Initially, they intended to integrate a sensor. I've now chosen the IMX854 sensor over the IMX875. This latest development has further heightened people's concerns about getting detailed shots on the S24 Ultra while employing levels of zoom. Furthermore, Ice Universe has made some observations concerning the S24 Ultra's display as compared to the S23 Ultra, based on early hands-on photographs. Let's have a look at the new S24 Ultra. The bezel size is one of the most noticeable features, particularly when compared to the S23 Ultra. Ice Universe has characterized the design of the upcoming device as lovely, and there's a reason for that. For the first time on any Galaxy phone, we'll see symmetrical bezels on this model, with a very tiny bezel size of only 1.5 mm. When compared to the Ultra, the bezel is 40% smaller. He also confirms that not only are its sides curved, but its corners have a curvature as well, offering a more premium feel when held in hand. This variation also has a titanium look. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.